Martin, my good man.
Hello.
What have we got here today?
A box.
Nice. Crack on.
Okay. I'm getting good at opening these now.
What, opening boxes?
Opening boxes.
I should hope so.
I think I've got a career in it.
Literally, he has the knack.
Ooh.
Aha. Ah, X-lite. I like a good X-lite, actually, got to say.
Get rid of that.
What's this about then?
This is a special helmet because, well, we're going to tell you all about it, but the one interesting point about this specific helmet is that you can win it.
Ooh.
So I'll leave that there for now.
Okay.
And we'll get on with unboxing it and we'll give you some details in a bit.
Right, lovely.
Right.
Okay. Which lid is it though?
So this is the X-lite X-803 Ultra Carbon, also known as the UC.
The UC.
UC for Ultra Carbon.
See what they did there. Visor. Pin locks. The usual gubbins.
Probably some lubrication. Lubitrim.
Ooh, Lubitrim. Nice wordage.
Okay. So yeah, pin lock.
Okay.
So there we go. So yeah, so this is the 803.
This is the new one, right?
This is the new one, yeah, in the Superbike, official Superbike colours. Okay, so available in a lot of different variations, 13 different colours.
Wow, and they bring all those into the UK,
Yeah, which is quite a lot. Sorry, I'm just trying to move that off the strap, which is the nose guard and some destructions.
Lovely.
Yeah, so yeah, quite a lot of choice if this one isn't your particular cup of tea, but it is. It's quite a nice jazzy lid.
It looks pretty smart. They've definitely, again, the last few years have flown on in terms of quality.
Yeah. So additional, sorry, not additional, but new features on this lid over the previous ones is the elongation of the chin piece. So rather than it being too close to your chin, you've got a bit of extra room on this one. Might not be something that's visually as noticeable, but it's definitely there. So this one features the Noland Emergency Release System, also known as NERS. So you'll see here the two red tabs. So in an emergency, you can yank these, and the cheek pads actually sort of come away with your head as you're taking the helmet off. So imagine the helmet's coming off, the cheek pads would sort of be loose.
Gotcha.
So it doesn't pull on your neck in an accident. Hopefully you'll never need to use them, but it's the same as on the race systems. So with this helmet you get the clear pin lock ready visor with the pin lock in the box. The dark one there is something separate, which we'll obviously talk about in a bit.
Okay.
And I believe the inners have been changed as well. So you've got a new, slightly different material being used in there, but it's all the, like, you know, the cool wicking moisture.
Oh, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
It's all washable, I take it.
Yeah, all removable as far as I'm aware. Yeah, taking it out. So yeah, 5-year guarantee warranty with these, which is quite a nice little feature.
That's good
for these days.
Well,
so.
That's good because, interestingly, we had a conversation the other day about helmets and longevity, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Because I've always thought it's every 3.5 to 4 years you need to change your helmet, and then you panicked me massively because I've been wearing my current helmet for 4 years almost every day.
Yeah.
And you are the expert, and you said it
does depend on how often you're using it, really. But if this is, say the maximum life is 5 years, you know that for that whole 5 years of this helmet, you're covered for you know, manufacturing defects. You know, if you drop it or you're on a racetrack and you do a Marquez Rossi, then you know you're not covered for that.
No, but you were saying you should change the lid every 2 years if you use it every day almost.
Yeah, basically, as soon as you go outside, the polystyrene layer inside will start to. It's quite difficult to show you without taking the helmet apart, but can you see it? Just so that all the area back there is your EPS layer.
Yep.
So it's like advanced polystyrene. It's all made up of different things in different areas, but that starts to get attacked by the environment, mainly outside. So when it's in the shop, it's not really degraded.
No.
It's when it goes outside and it's getting the airborne things from the road. And you know, for the guys that put their gloves in the helmet, which they shouldn't do, that's the petrol and the stuff from the roads on your gloves.
Sweat.
Attacking it. Yeah, sweat will do a certain amount. I'm not sure how much sweat does, but yeah, it's all stuff that makes that polystyrene layer go hard, and you need it to be absorbing. So if it goes hard, it's not absorbing. And that's the main deterioration of a helmet.
All right, interesting sidetrack though. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you for that.
There.
No, that's good though. That is consumer information.
So yeah, so this one's got the improved front. It's supposed to have improved lateral vision as well. So this will be your vision from here as well. So that'll be your visor aperture opening as well. Available in 3 shell sizes.
So hang on a minute. What does this cost?
So this one is £519.99, so £520.
Okay.
But because it comes in so many different versions, it starts at £399.99.
Which sounds, bearing in mind how much helmets seem to have gone up recently, that's quite palatable.
Bearing in mind it is a carbon helmet. I mean, you can, apart from the name, you sort of sometimes overlook it when they've got patterns on top of them. But this is a full carbon helmet.
Yeah.
So it's nice and light. So you see on there. So as a base weight without anything, it's 1,230 grams. But with all the inners in and that, it's only 1,280 grams, which is and this is a medium. So that's kind of your middle of the road one, as in weight wise. So yeah, nice spoiler on the back as well, with your adjustability on it.
Oh yeah.
And then obviously your normal vents, and one thing and another.
Cool. And of course, if it's a kind of a not everyday use helmet with the 5-year guarantee, as you said, it should last you 4 to 5 years.
There you go, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Now you mentioned something about competition.
Did I?
You
Okay,
did.
so obviously Superbikes has been back for a few weeks now, and Chaz had a good race the other day, and he also wears an X-lite.
He does, yeah.
So we've teamed up with Moto Gear, who distribute Nolan and X-lite in the UK, and if you follow the link that we'll put somewhere to their Facebook page, there's a chance to win one of these.
Okay.
So yeah, make sure you do that, and yeah, all the T's and C's will be on there. But
Well, good luck everyone who enters then.
Well done.
That is a very nice that is a very, very nice helmet, and if you're a Superbike fan, then I suppose it doesn't, as in a World Superbike fan, I suppose it doesn't really get any better than that, does it?